Good day, sir. I'm Jan Michael Matolin from BScrim to its 7 methods of collecting evidence. Procedure for collecting which stands on absorbent and non-absorbent substances. First is collecting which stands on absorbent substances. All you need to do is collect sample stain from the item in which being located. Use one or more sterilized cotton pads to suck up stain. Then lay or dry the sample and be air dry not so put in on the box and sealed, and also put in a paper bag or packaging and transported to the laboratory. Next is collect control sample of the item by slightly moistening the swab with distilled water and rub the area of the surface in a stain. Regard the stain be air dried naturally and put it to the box and be subjected to the proper packaging and transported to the laboratory. Collecting with stains on non-absorbent substances. Submit the entire item if possible. Possible means detachable and is subjected to proper packaging and transported to the laboratory, and also swab containing the wet stains and swab containing the control. The sample should be packaging separately. Procedure for collecting dry stain on absorbent and non-absorbent substances. Collecting dry stains on absorbent substances. All you need to do is cut out the stains, the area of the item in which the stains was being located, and then collect a portion of stains area by rubbing the cotton swab on the unsaid area and thoroughly air dried and put it on box to be subjected or proper packaging and transported to the laboratory, and package all the level as sample separately. Swab containing dry stains and swab containing the control sample. In this process, all you need to do is rub the cotton buds in the item, put it into box, and also put it into the paper bag and submit it onto the laboratory. Collecting dry stain on non-absorbent substances. The manner that we're going to perform is to swab the stain on the suspected item or is adheres and then air dried early and put it into the box and sealed properly, then put it on the paper bag. Collecting sample from a smear. In this manner, use a dry sterilized cotton swab and concentrate substance on the tip of the swab. Allow the swab to air dry and put it on the box and put it on the paper bag to be subjected for paper packaging transported to the laboratory. Next is collect sample of stains from the item in which being located. Control sample of the item by slightly moistening this rub with distilled water and rub the area of the surface and the stain region. The stain allow to swab or dry and put it into the box and also put it into the paper bag or subjected to proper packaging and transported to laboratory. Label and package evidence charts swab separately, swab containing smear and swab containing control sample that we're going to perform is evidence marking. Must be done by the investigator accurately and thoroughly document the evidence.